You know this English word, but do you know all of its meanings? If you don't, you will by the end of this video. I run in the mornings, but I also run a business. I just arrived home and I just went to the gym for 30 minutes. Just 30 minutes. It sounds so difficult to memorize all the definitions that one word has, but it's actually easier than you'd think because you don't need to memorize a long list of definitions. You can learn them in context. And that's what we're gonna do today. This morning, I just wanted to sleep. I was so tired. But suddenly, I got a phone call. It was my coworker. I looked at the time and realized I was late. Very late. I got dressed really fast. I grabbed my bag and I ran outside. Normally, I take a bus to work, but when I got to the bus stop, the bus was already leaving. I missed it. I thought, great, I just missed the bus. I just missed it. And I was already late. So I decided to take an Uber instead. The Uber took about 20 minutes to get to my office. And during the ride, I got another phone call. This time, it was my mom. I answered and said, "Mom, I'm sorry. I can't talk right now. I'm running late." She said, Okay, no worries. I just wanted to ask you something." And she hung up. When I finally got to work, my coworker saw me and said, "Where were you? I just called you." I said, I know. I missed the bus." She laughed and said, "Well, at least you're here now. It's okay." And she was right. So I sat down and started working. A few hours later, I got hungry. So I decided to take a break. I normally take a break around 2 or 3 p.m. It was a little early to take a break, but I was starving. I didn't have any breakfast. I just needed something small to eat. So I went next door to a cafe near my office. I ordered a coffee and a sandwich, and the cashier, cha-ching, said, "Your sandwich will take about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I thought it would take 2, but that was fine. I sat down and called my mom back. She answered and said, I was just about to call you. We talked for a few minutes. I got my sandwich and I drank my coffee. And then I went back to work. And luckily, the rest of my day was less chaotic. Like this video if you want more English practice with these words in context. Great! Now, you probably know all of the words that I just used. Just, get, run, take, miss, and write. But did you notice that they didn't always mean what you thought they meant? Just. At the beginning, I said, I just wanted to sleep. In this case, just means only. I only wanted to sleep. But then I said, I just missed the bus. In this case, it means a short time ago or recently. I recently missed the bus, or I just missed the bus right before it left. And then my coworker said, I just called you. The same. She called me very recently, just a little bit ago. So, I just want coffee. I only want coffee. I just made coffee. I recently made coffee. Same word, different meaning. Now, with get, I said, I got a phone call. So I received a phone call in this context. But then I said, I got dressed. In this case, I put my clothes on. That's what got dressed means. And later I said, I got hungry. In this case, it means to become. I became hungry. So listen to these. I got an email. I received an email. I got home at 8. I arrived home at 8. I'm getting tired. I'm becoming tired. That's why you hear get in everything in English. Next, we have take. I take the bus to work. Here, take means you use the bus for transportation. But then I said, the Uber took 20 minutes. That's the amount of time that it required. And then I said, I decided to take a break. And this is part of the expression, to take a break. So, I took the train for transportation. It took 3 hours for time, and I'm going to take a break for rest. And now, run. You heard this one at the beginning. I run in the mornings. I physically run. But I run a business. I manage a business. And then in the story, I said, I'm running late. Does that mean I'm physically running late? Running late means I'm behind schedule. I'm running late. And finally, miss. I missed the bus. The bus left without me. But then if I say, I miss my family, then that's the feeling of wanting to be close to my family, of not seeing them. And then the last one, I missed your call. You called me, but I didn't answer. So you can miss a person, you can miss a bus, or you can miss a phone call. And this is why I don't want you to panic when you see a word used in a completely different way. You might think, wait, I know this word, but why is it used in a completely different context here? Like this video if you want more English practice with these words in context. And some more good news. You don't have to sit down and memorize every possible definition to every word in English. But the more you listen, the more you read, the more you hear these words used in real life situations, the more natural these definitions will start to feel. Just think about the story that you just heard. You understood what was happening. And because you understood the story, you were able to understand the definition based on the context, right? That's how I want you to learn English. Not by memorizing definitions, but by actually experiencing the language. So now I have a little challenge for you. What does just mean in this context? I just finished the video. Is it recently or only? What about this one? I just want to learn English. Recently or only? Tell me in the comments. I won't give you the answer. I got really tired after work. Now, what does miss mean in this sentence? I missed your call this morning. Now, what does run mean in this sentence? I'm sorry, I'm running late. And now, what does take mean in this sentence? It took me 4 hours to finish. And if you want more videos where we learn English through real stories, then subscribe for more. Like this video and keep learning with me. I'll see you guys next week. Never stop learning. Bye.